Hi guys, and welcome back to another video on Fluent Assertions, and in this one we'll be looking at Assertion Scopes. Now, before we dive into Assertion Scopes, let's understand the problem that it solves. Imagine the situation where we're testing a list of data, and in this test we assert multiple things. You can see here that I've created a person class that just has a name and an age, and a function that just returns a list of people. Now, let's say we have a couple of assertions we want to make on this function. We want to assert that the list is not null or not empty. We want to check that that list has a specific item in it. We want to check that there is a specific amount of people in this list. And we want to make sure that we only have unique items. Now, let's say we've made a mistake here, and when we run this test, then we'll get a failure. Now, the reason it's failed is pretty clear early on. We've got, it's saying it can't find somebody in this that matches this. Person with name John, 31, and that's because we've got John who is 30. Now, obviously we want this. We want a test to fail when something goes wrong. But notice that it's only this test that has failed. This one here and this one here haven't actually been executed. Now, for the majority of cases, this isn't an issue. But there could be situations when one bug causes all of these tests to fail. And that first failing test, this one here, could send you down a rabbit hole and lead you to fixing the wrong things, potentially. And also, it is a little bit tedious fixing one issue and then going back and fixing the next one and rerunning the tests and vice versa and so on and so on and so on. So, what an assertion scope allows you to do is say, I don't care if an assertion fails, as long as you let me know what has failed at the end of the test. So we can wrap these into an assertion scope by using a new assertion scope. And then if we put our tests within here and run them once more, you will see again that they fail, but they will fail with a different error message. You have multiple errors in this one assertion, this one response. You have the issue with test 2 that's failing, the amount of people aren't right, or the person isn't right, and also that the count was wrong. That we're saying we wanted 5, but we only found 3. So now we don't have to constantly rerun our tests to fix one assertion at a time. We could potentially fix a few in one sitting at one time, and that should hopefully make your testing experience a lot nicer. That's going to be the end of this video, guys. Thank you very, very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Cheerio.